Dearly beloved, for your entertainment at my pleasure to introduce to you hell's latest arrival, Equal Opportunity Killer and its Toyer. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Can you tell me where I am? I don't know how I got here, but I think I'm starting to understand. I don't belong among the angels, and maybe that's just fine with me. The things I did up there were high school, but now I'm going for my degree. Hey, sorry, but you just got in my way. I promise, honey, I can feel your pain, and maybe I enjoy it just a little bit, and that makes me inflamed. Haven't been the same since I expired. Doesn't mean that I plan to retire, and now I have the power to rid all of you in entertaining smile. Wait a minute, do I know you? Won't you an old pal of mine? Departed from us far too early, but now we're meeting a second time. We used to have such fun together, and maybe you have what I need. But first I have one tiny question. Tell me, do you demons bleed? Hey, sorry, but you just got in my way. I promise, honey, I can feel your pain, and maybe I enjoy it just a little bit. Make no stain. Hadn't been the same since I expired. Doesn't mean that I plan to retire, and now I have the power to rid all of you in entertaining fun. You just got in my way. I promise, honey, I can you will make. I really enjoyed it just a little bit, cause that made me insane. I've been seen since I inspired. Don't have let you retire, and now I have the power to read all of you when I'm back fire. Sorry, but you just got in my way. I promise, honey, I can feel your pain, and maybe I enjoy it just a little bit. Does that make me insane?